Wait. This is a carb, right? Okay, panic. Ah! Oh, we have to preheat the oven. All right, that was a random ADHD burst. All right, we gotta get a cutting board. No, we have to preheat the oven. Hello and welcome back to another vlog. I'm gonna apologize again for not uploading long form content. Anyways, let's get into it. Let's get cooking. Recipe from Marissa. None of these recipes are really my own, by the way. Basically, this is just ground beef with sweet potatoes and avocado. Grass-fed organic lean ground beef. I don't really want to have any extra chemicals or like hormones in my system because like as a girly girl, I already have really messed up hormones. Also, it was on sale for like $5, which is insane. I also have sweet potatoes. To have the protein, you have to have carbs. Wait, this is a carb, right? Okay, it is a carb, I'm right. Okay, but yeah. And then we got avocado. By the way, I'm doing anything wrong, please correct me. Don't really want to become a cooking influencer because I'm not a pro in that. To be honest, I'm not really a pro in anything influencing, which is why I've been scared to make these videos because I'm like, I'm not a pro at any of this stuff. I don't know why sweet potatoes take forever. It's not really fair. Oh my gosh. Okay, panic. Ah! Oh! We have to preheat the oven! Oh! Alright, that was a random ADHD burst. I forgot. Cooking, by the way, cleaning, really hard when you have ADHD because I forget to do a lot of things. So this may be really out of order too. Let me take you guys back to the cooking station. Alright, we gotta get a cutting board. No, we have to preheat the oven! 425. Come on! That didn't work. Well, that was a perfect cut. Wow. Is there a more efficient way to do this? Like, this is taking forever. Like, cut them in circles. You like cut them in thirds, cubes, and then you just throw them in the bowl. You can have two options. So if you want to go the healthy way, avocado spray, you can get this at Costco. And there's 0 calories in this. Or if you're trying to bulk like me and gain healthy muscle weight, do a little bit of olive oil and it has 120 calories per tablespoon. I'm gonna use my hands. My hands are clean and I'm the only one eating this. Don't want y'all coming at me for health violations, okay? I just screwed up. Paprika. Go for the great value. It's the cheapest. Giant garlic salt from Costco. And then get some pepper. Making sure they're all getting seasoning. And then you just want to dump them on there. Bye. I'll see you in 30 minutes. We're going to try and do 25. Showing you guys my favorite snack. It's really healthy and it's better than store-bought because store-bought, they throw things in there. It's not good for you. Garbanzo beans, a half a lemon, ground cumin, olive oil. You need pita bread. If you take 2, that's 10 grams. If you eat like 3 or 4 tablespoons, 7 grams of protein or 5 grams of protein, you're getting a really high protein snack. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really good at can openers. Do it the other way. I like the ones from Walmart where you just snap them open. Oh, dump the water out and then you pour it in here. Do a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of water. Is there a correct way to put the lemon in the squeezer? Look how much that is. You need 1 tablespoon of cumin, teaspoon of garlic powder, okay, Himalayan salt. And then you blend it up. I'm gonna take you guys to my blender. Check on the sweet potatoes really quick. If I were ever on a cooking show, I would get eliminated before it even started. I wouldn't even make the qualifying. Oh, you are nowhere near ready, girl. Back in the oven you go. I'm gonna use the same spoon, okay? Because I'm the only one eating all this and no one is here. This is perfect. Spatulas. My hands are getting messy. Yeah, that's the hummus. That's the high protein snack. I'm okay. I'm fine. I use this wok I got from H Mart. Best $20 I've ever spent. Cooking spray. Taco seasoning. 4 ounces, you get 23 grams of protein. Nutritional yeast. This is so new to me. 1 tablespoon is 3 grams of protein. Throw it in things where you won't taste it. 1 pound. Garlic salt. The taco seasoning. Black pepper. I wish their sweet potatoes were crispier. I don't know how that works. But if you do, please let me know. 1 tablespoon. You know, that's a lot. We're not gonna do 2 tablespoons because that's a lot. All right, this is getting too hot. It's done. Hey, but I'm gonna fix this. Ready? We got a scale. Every 4 ounces of ground beef is 23 grams of protein. Sometimes I go 5 because I want to up it a little bit. Let's grab the containers. These are all from Costco. It's like $20 for a giant pack. Remember guys, we're also adding the avocados because we also need some healthy fats. These guys will probably be ready in about a day. Put the avocados next to a banana. It'll make your avocados ripe faster. I don't know the science behind it because I failed apes in high school. Like we'll add it each day because you know, we don't want the avocado to get brown. We're gonna put some in here and you wanna make sure it's leveled out to 0. Then you wanna measure, start with 4 and if we have extra, 5 it is because I went over by accident. This is my 4th. So we got a little bit of extra, so we're just gonna put them in the rest of them. But guys, see how easy this is to cook? Throw it in an oven, throw it in there, you're good. I'm not a professional cook here. Again, I would literally get chopped on Chopped, the show. That about does it for meal prep number 1. Actually, really healthy lunch. I also don't know how to cut this. I try every time, I'm really bad at it. A rotisserie chicken salad. I'm a picky eater, so I don't like too much stuff in my salad because you guys know I forever will be, say it with me now, team tomato hater. I hate tomatoes. I love ketchup. Tomato sauce is great. I don't even really like salsa. Kind of a sad salad. You know what? I should honestly add some hard-boiled eggs. This organic Italian dressing. And then we have some organic lettuce, shredded carrots. I'll put the dressing on them because it will make them wilt a lot faster. Ah! I always try to run as fast as I can so no water drips. Wrap your salad up, part leafy, part crunchy. So take a handful and sprinkle them in. I really don't like carrots unless they're cooked, so I'm forcing myself to eat carrots. I need help. I'm really bad at cutting a rotisserie chicken. I genuinely don't understand it. Do I cut down the middle? No, that's a bone. Like, I'm literally just gonna start gripping this with my hands because I don't know what else to do. I know that's not an ideal way to cut a chicken. That's it. It's so easy. Add what you want to the salad, make it your own. Don't forget, guys, add the dressing, not on them now. Put it on when you're ready to eat it. Now I'm going to talk about what I eat for breakfast. 2 essentials that you need to gain muscle weight. Eat a crap ton of protein. One of the easiest ways that I do it is through a protein shake almost every single day. I usually don't get the protein shake ick. Some type of protein powder. You could also use a gainer. Gainers is just a bigger version of protein powder, and there's like different supplements in there to help gain weight rapidly. Another essential thing to get definition, like here, like if you want to like see the difference more quickly, you can get creatine. I love creatine. Creatine monohydrate by Bucked Up. If you want to get 20% off, you can use this coupon right here, Kelly's Kingdom, with a 1. I'll either do grass-fed milk from Sprouts, turn that 20 grams of protein shake into basically 30 now. I add a banana, and then I add strawberries. You can also add peanut butter too. Again, I'm weird. I like peanuts, but not peanut butter. Something else that you can add to your protein shakes, you could add oatmeal. Something amazing is that if you add a half a scoop of oats, specifically the Kodiak, it's 10 grams of protein. You can also use Fairlife milk. Fairlife milk for 1 cup of milk, it's 13 grams of protein. So what I did when I started bulking heavy, I had my protein. I had a different protein at the time. It's Elite Casein, love it. And then I had the creatine, I had this, and I had Fairlife. And not, kid you not, 49 grams of protein. That was half of my protein I needed for the day. You can also do eggs. Each egg has about 6 grams of protein. These are the Applegate chicken and sage breakfast sausage patties. 1 patty is 5 grams of protein. You can do this in the microwave. Sometimes I do it on a pan. Add 2 of these, 10 grams of protein. Add 2 eggs, 12 grams of protein. So there's your 22 grams. Another reason why I also switched to this diet too, I would eat like fast food or just unhealthy food and I would crash. Like, I'd be at like work and I'm like, oh, I'm so tired. But that's what keeps me from crashing, you know, eating whole foods, real food, soul food. Like, I don't even really eat chips anymore. I barely even eat like any junk food anymore. The only time I'll eat junk food is like at Disneyland where there's like a beignet, because I don't know how to make beignets. You may not tell from like my videos, but like secretly I'm a weirdo. Never liked sweets growing up. But if you guys have any questions, let me know. If you watched this to the end of the video, thank you so much. I'm gonna try and make this a series. I'm literally just gonna be making a bunch of random vlogs. I know I started with Disney content, guys, but I'll be transparent. Last year, I've not been super happy with just like the Disney content I've made because I don't want to put myself in just a box. I love Disney. Disney, if you're watching this, I love you guys so much. I want to create other things that I'm passionate about just besides Disney. I want to get into like movies eventually, more screenings, but fitness is something I'm really passionate about. And I know there's probably a lot of like other girls in my position or other people in my position that struggle gaining healthy muscle weight. I want to just share you guys with some tips that I've done. So my channel's not going to have a niche and it probably will never have a niche. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and please give me tips on how to cut a rotisserie chicken. I don't know how to freaking do it. Thank you guys so much and I'll see you in the next video.